If your 2005 Ford Explorer AC is blowing warm air, let us walk through the most common points of failure. Data shows that 7 out of 10 AC failures on this specific body style stem from simple leaks or actuator issues. Before you replace expensive parts, follow this diagnostic sequence to find the real culprit. Start by confirming the compressor clutch engages and checking your fuses for any signs of an electrical short. If the AC is cold at the vents but the air temperature won't change, your blend door actuator has likely failed. Low refrigerant levels will trigger a safety switch, preventing the compressor from kicking in to protect the system. You can handle basic refilling or fuse swaps, but internal evaporator work requires professional recovery equipment. Most common fixes are relatively affordable, but compressor replacement naturally sits at the higher end of the spectrum. If the basics look fine, use a multimeter to verify power is actually reaching the compressor connector. Always wear eye protection and gloves, especially when handling refrigerant or working near high-pressure lines. Remember, never force a recharge if the compressor isn't engaging, or you will risk overpressuring the system. Check these basics before booking the shop, and you might just get your AC blowing cold again today.